Recording in.
I am so glad that you asked me this question. There are many considerations when planning curriculum for diverse settings and learners. One consideration is to know the child, their culture, and their knowledge. Knowing the children differently allows you to tailor your curriculum to meet their needs. You will know where your lowest student is and where your highest student is academically so that you could have each student grow, not be left behind, and not get bored because they weren't taught new materials. You will also be able to set up materials such as visual aids for dual language learners, um, flexible seating for those that need more movement, and know if the topic will hold the child's interest. In my current classroom, we had the children vote for the next theme or unit or study. Currently, they just voted to do cameras. By having them vote, we know that the students are interested in the idea, and we as teachers can use the theme in our objectives and assessments. Another consideration when planning the curriculum is state and federal standards and program expectations. I would assure you that each objective meets the state and federal standard. I would also ensure that my objective aligns with the classroom assessment, meaning that the same standard, meaning that they meet the same standard, and all three flow together so that as a whole, we can measure if the students have learned the needed materials. In each lesson plan, you will see the objective, standard, and assessment process and an area to differentiate the lesson. Differentiating the lesson is essential so that each and every child has a chance to learn and grow at their own pace and to their fullest potential. One example of differentiating a lesson is when I was teaching the class about our theme exercise. We had a student that needed help when trying to do the yoga poses. I looked at poses that were easier for the student. Once I knew the poses, the student was excited that they too could do the yoga just like the other students in the class.